Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing like a chit chat with you and a life update to tell you all about my life. What's been going on, what's been happening with it and everything like that. Sorry if I look a little bit paler than my neck, but I did my foundation. If you want to know how I got this look, it will probably be up tomorrow or some other day. So the first thing that has been happening is my husband got into a car accident. He is okay, don't worry about it, he is fine. I have spoke about this on my vlogging channel, so if you like to see what's been going on, please have it linked up here or up here. And so basically he got in a car accident, he is fine, but he needs to get a new car. That is the gist of it. He just needs a new car because his car's been told as a write-off. It is his fault, but not his fault at the same time. So I did go into depth, what happened into depth when I put my makeup on and everything. So that is what has been going on with him. Plus he's been on an apprenticeship course to do a managing apprenticeship course for his work and everything like that. So I need a drink. So he's literally going on that, and he's literally, you know, it is frustrating to him. He has to do his English masking. He loves his English. He hates English. So he's having a bit of a hard time with that because English he absolutely hates. So he has a hard time with English, so he can do it. I know he can. I believe in him, and he can get his apprenticeship course done and everything like that. So he is actually doing that. You can't tell, I'm a bit bunged up. I have a sore throat. I am coughing. I am sneezing. I'm on all that jazz. I became ill. The reason is I get ill really quickly. I was supposed to have my flu jab, didn't have it in the end. I thought, my husband's there going, there's no point in having it. I think it's a load of gimmick. And I was like, no, I didn't have it last year and I did get ill, but I was fine. So this year, my husband had it. I don't know how he got it. He caught it off someone. I was trying to stay away all year from people with colds and with flu, and I thought to myself, I don't want to be one of these people that have the bloody flu or have a cold. Basically, that's the gist of it. I want to stay away from people who had the flu, and I was good. It was good until December, and I don't normally get ill in December, and this is the first time I've literally got in a sore throat, a runny nose, and a cold because of that. And he got, I said, you might have got it from work or anything like that. He goes, I might have, you know, got it from work. But yeah, he got it and he then passed it on to me. Got a cold today, dealing with it, taking strepsils, taking my phone medication still, taking that. I still need to take that every day. Had a big headache last night and I had to fall asleep because if I didn't, it would just keep going. It was like, oh, because I've been sneezing and blowing my nose and everything, kind of all the sinuses built up. Speak of the devil. Oh, sorry. Like that, and all the sinus is just thingy, and it just hurts my head. Every time I sneeze, my eyes water like crazy. Feeling like I'm about to cry, I'm not. Every time I sneeze, my eyes seem to water up, and it's just really bad. Like every time when it's cold or it's windy and the wind goes against my eyes, I have very sensitive eyes, so if the wind hits it, you will see my eyes falling, like my eyes streaming down water, like waterfall style because of it. I know for Christmas I'm going to his family's this year for Christmas. I went to my family I went to my mum's last year for Christmas, and do you know what? I loved it. It was such a good vibe there. We had roast, it was very nice. And it was the first Christmas without my nan. It's been a year since my nan's gone, and it's, sorry, I still get caught up with that, my nan and gran going, because they're literally a part of my life and I've loved them so much. And it was the first Christmas last year without my nan, and I was like, I'm going to my mum's because it's just going to be without her, and it just, you know, it was very sad. But we enjoyed our Christmas, and we did a wish my nan and our gran a happy Christmas wherever you are. Like, I still believe that they're around somewhere. They are still around, that's what I believe, and most of you might not believe that, but I just believe that they are around. They can hear us, they can see us, they can see what we're doing in our life, and that is basically, that's what I do actually believe. I'm doing Vlogmas as well, if you haven't known. Today is the 7th of December, and I'm doing Vlogmas every day. I've kept on top of it. I've got a vlog going up today, and I'm doing 24 days of Charleane on my main channel, which I'm keeping up with. It's the 7th day, and I'm keeping up with it. I had my thyroid checked out, if you guys are interested. I had a thyroid checked out. I have to go back there 3 months later to do a blood test. I'm having my thyroid every 3 months. I got told by the doctor that if you get your thyroid out, it'll be all fine. And I'm the majority of 1% that my thyroid's not fine after it's been taken out. So I'm a bit annoyed at the doctors for that. Like, very annoyed. Like, why didn't you tell me? Like if I knew this is going to be the case, I'll just keep my fire and just be vegan and just like sort it out myself. I'm going to the gym as well, which I am loving. I'm going to the gym. I did go off vegan for a week or two. I did go off vegans and my body reacted badly to that, like really badly. I was like, what the hell? And so I am vegan. I'm following Natural Stephanie's plan, her exercise plan I'm following. Her food this Christmas, I'm kind of not liking it. It's kind of like chilies and everything. I'm not a chili girl. I will eat it, but then my stomach don't really like chilies that often, so I'm like, no. But I'm doing some meals myself, like healthy meals, and some like not healthy meals. So some are like very healthy meals. Sometimes I'll probably have a burger or something like that with some chips. But I am beginning to wean off carbs. After Christmas, I'm going to wean off carbs just a bit, just to have like not as much bread as I'm going to have. Like I've been having bread and I've been loving it. Like I've had tofu sandwiches and they are so gorgeous. They're like which is a part of her planning, which is part of her autumn and winter plan, which I'm actually loving it. And her exercise I'm actually loving. I actually did go down to about 18 stone 13, and because I was intermittent fasting, I was basically having something to eat for lunch and dinner, not for breakfast, or I was having something for breakfast and lunch and not for dinner, and that made me lose weight so quickly. But the fact is, I just didn't like it. I wasn't as hungry as I'm not as hungry as I am, but I still wanted some 3-course meals. So now I'm having 3 vegan meals plus exercising, and I was 20 stone sticks again. I shot back down to 20 stone 1, I believe, 20 stone 1 or 20 stone. I shot back down to 20 stone. So I'm really happy that the exercise plus me eating 3 meals and occasionally some snacks is really, really good for me, and I'm loving that. On the 19th of December is my 31st birthday. Holy crap. I know, I don't look 31. I don't even look at my face, but I am 31. And when I was 30, I got like, I don't want to turn 30. I got really like, can I not be 30? Can I be 29? Because when I was younger, I used to be like, I can't wait till I'm older. I get to do anything I want. Now that I'm older, I wish I was younger. Like, that's what I thingy for. But at the end of the day, I don't feel like I need to wish for younger because I look younger as I am. My family had good skin. I don't know if you know this. You probably do. It was the number one trending thing on Twitter yesterday. O2 down. I am an O2 provider, and I was like, okay, my husband's phone went down. So I was like, at this time tomorrow, I'm going to do a raid. I'm going to go out there and do this raid. I couldn't do the raid because O2 was down. I was like, what the hell? If you pay for a service, you expect to get good service for it. That's what you expect. I do know every now and then, it doesn't happen all the time to O2, but every now and then the service does probably go down. They try and fix it straight away, but it ends up taking longer. So yesterday, O2 was down for the whole day. Today, it's back up. The next thing is my husband wanted to go to someone called Ardcon. He is a big Hobbit. Ardcon is based on Hobbit, Middle Earth, and he loves it so much. And yes, last year he wanted to go, couldn't go. I was like, I'm so sorry, can't go. He's like, no, it's all right. This year he wanted to go, but there was no pre-warning that the tickets would be, there's no pre-warning of going, the tickets are going to go live next week or anything like that. They're like, the tickets are up, go and get your tickets. And all of them have now sold in a matter of a couple of days or just a week. They've all sold. And my husband really wants to go. He don't get paid till the end, like to the 20th or 21st of December. And he goes, when I get money, I'm going to spend 40 quid, I'm going to go to Ardcon. And tickets are all sold out. And he's like, are you shitting kidding me? They've oversold. They've oversold by 3 tickets. And it's like, what the hell? So they've oversold their convention. And he really wants to go. This is getting placed next year in 2019. And they've already sold by the end of the year. And so he's a little bit disappointed. But I really wanted to go with him. I want to get into his hobby and everything. I would, if I did go, I'd be making sure I'd be battling other people as well, going to club night with him to battle other people to get ready for Ardcon, see what stuff I want to bring to Ardcon, and I would have been so committed to it, and he would have loved it, and then we would have gone there and probably, you know, played really good. I'd probably played a singles match by myself for the first time, but you know, I can't do that now, so thanks Ardcon for sending it so fucking fast. You should have had a bigger venue. So I actually did something different with my foundation today. I did not powder, so I'm testing it out today, and it's looking okay. The foundation's darker because it's in ivory, and Maybelline did a darker foundation, but it is looking okay. It's looking fine. I did do a haul on Zoella products. I love everything in the Zoella box except the bloody foaming body scrub. Don't like it. It works, I'm just not a fan of it. I like scrubs where you put it on, don't foam, and you really dig it in there. The thing that I've been using the most is the Cosmo by Zoella. It's really far down, but it smells really good. It's like vanilla peppermint smell. It smells so good, but yeah, I've been using that quite a lot. I'm really happy now, and I'm really happy in my life, so part of being ill and sneezing a lot, trying not to touch my face because I haven't powdered, I've been really, sorry, my eyes are watering because of it. I've been really well, and I'm really happier. The next year, down the line, this year, end of this year and next year, it's going to be so much happier for me, happier times, and I'm going to be loving every single bit of it. So guys, that is my life update for you guys. Hopefully you do enjoy this video. Please give the video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.